why this is important with the locks is that with tiny locks, and you know how they emphasize so much in our training, no product, right? And you and I started out with that, and I said, we're going to see how it go. And then when you came in and that picture we did on the 3rd, I said, what's going on? So I said, we're going to have to use this. Because I know how it works. I hadn't done it, with locks. Y'all have to trust me. And even with the other lady has the flaking, she's seeing results. And another lady, so we doing that. You're going to massage.